You got to think about that. How does my money make me money? Does it make me money? You put money in the stock market, you get whatever that stock market does. If the stock goes up in value 7% a year, that's what you get, 7% a year. You don't get anything else. Maybe if you got dividends in some of it, maybe you can get some dividends on it. They're going to probably use that on your 7% profit, be part of your dividends. I don't know. That depends on what you get involved with. But you don't have full facets of making money in that. And you are dependent on what that company does. You don't have any say over it. The coolest thing for me about real estate is I make all my decisions in real estate. I got a piece of property, I don't like the way it's performing, I'm going to get rid of it, get another piece of property. If it's not performing because it needs some work done to it, I'm going to do the work to it. I'm going to make it perform better. I love real estate for that reason. I control every bit of it. You get mutual funds, they buy a fund for you, keep it in there, and they're managing it, and 3 months later it's not doing what the guy that did the evaluation or the girl that did the evaluation wanted it to do. And they said, we're going to sell this and we're going to buy this stock. Well, when they sell it, they're going to charge you for that. Then when they buy another stock, they're going to charge you for that. So the fees associated with doing any of that I hate them. I hate mutual funds. I don't do anything in the market. I don't do anything with a financial advisor.